Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about find the angle on the earth. So now I will show you the technique. If the distance between two cities on earth is 12,742 kilometers, so now I will show you the answer. We know that the radius of the earth is about 6,378 kilometers, but the distance of two cities somewhere on the earth we don't know. I will choose about point A and somewhere in point B, and we know that the distance from here to here, that is about 12,742. So if we put the radius from the center to the point B and from the center to the point A, we can calculate about the angle in here. So we know that the whole circle in here is about 360 degrees. So we will use the circumference of the circle, and then we will have this number in here, and we can create the ratio that should be about the angle. We have 12,742 divided to circumference of the circle multiplied with 360 degrees. About circumference, that should be about 2b multiplied with the radius. Then we multiply with 360. And we got the answer in here. That should be about 114.47 degrees. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.